What is up, guys? This is for all my Pokemon fans. There are rumors that they are putting Pokemon vending machines inside grocery stores. So we're gonna go ahead and see if those rumors are true. Let's go. So they say that there is a Pokemon vending machine inside this Vons. So let's go see if that's true. We found it. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. Let's see what they got. All right, guys, so we picked up a Charizard tin in the Pokemon vending machine. I never thought I'd see one of these in my life. This is super cool. Hopefully they go across the states and one of you guys can check it out as well.